Hello everyone, how to fund Interactive Brokers account, right? It's very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to log in into your Interactive Broker account. So open your web browser and go to the Interactive, that is IB website, which is this one. You can just go to Google and search for Interactive Broker and just click on it. Now here you can just explore your stuffs, right? So now let's move to the next step. So here you have to navigate to the funding section, right? So here, first of all, you have to open into here. You have to open an account. If you have already an account, then just go to login and just you can just access of IB, right? Now here, once logged in, go to the account management or the client portal section. Select transfer and pay. In the menu, find and click on transfer and pay. Click on transfer funds to start the funding process. Now here you can choose bank transfer, bank wire transfer, ACH, which is automated clearing house transfer. The third one is check. The fourth one is online bill pay, which is US clients only, right? And the fifth one is third payment party providers. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So you can just choose your IB support third party providers like PayPal or TransferWise and select the appropriate option. Now, on the fourth step, you have to double check all the details. Of course, you have to do it, including the amount and bank information, and click on submit or continue to initiate the transfer. It will ask you again that whether are you sure, confirm, right? So you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your transfer request has been received, and IB may send you an email confirming the details of your transfer request. So here the time it takes for the funds to clear and appear in your IB account depends on the funding method. Bank wire transfer typically takes 1 to 2 business days, while ACS transfer may take up to 3 to 5. PayPal and a wise transfer, sometimes you can transfer your money instantly. And after that, once the funds are available in your Interactive Bank or broker's account, you can start trading. Right, so this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.